Well, right now, test kits for COVID-19 are limited in many states to the point where only the most high-risk patients can get them.
Unfortunately, a man here in West Michigan says he has symptoms but can't get tested. Angeline McCall joining us live after speaking with Spectrum Health about their guidelines and that man's wife about their frustrations. Angeline?
Yeah, Janice, Derek, as Spectrum described it to me, they're really preserving those test kits for those who are most at risk, which include immunocompromised patients, pregnant women in their third trimester, those in nursing homes that can spread it, for instance, on a mass scale, as well as those with underlying massive health issues.
Thousands of patients have been screened, but afterwards, some are denied the tests they desperately need.
What they don't tell you is you can't get tested. They won't test you if you're normal. Like if you're a normally healthy person.
Stacey Bailey says her husband Matthew has been sick from work for a week and shows all the symptoms of COVID-19, but says he's been refused a test.
It's just none of it's making sense to me, and I don't feel like people are given the proper information.
Without a test, Matthew can't get sick leave from work, forcing him to take vacation time. And without proof, Stacey fears he won't be able to get help from federal funds likely allocated in the future.
I get that they have tests available for the high-risk people, but what they're not doing is preventing the spread because they're not testing the individuals who are not going to stay self-quarantined because they cannot afford to.
Spectrum says staff is following state guidelines recommended by the CDC.
I understand that everybody really wants to find out why they're not feeling well, but testing right now is a limited resource, and we really need to save it for our most at-risk patients so that physicians and clinicians really can make the best decisions about their care.
They ask everyone with moderate symptoms to stay home and self-quarantine.
I mean, if we had testing available, and we would love to be able to provide patients that information.
For those who have been denied, like the Baileys, they want answers and access to resources not just for them, but for other families.
It's here, it's in your face, and it has to be dealt with. And it has to be dealt with properly in a sense that we do flatten the curve by helping the people that need help.
Now, Spectrum says that they are administering these test kits on behalf of the state. In a press conference today, President Trump said that he had heard things were, quote, very good on the ground when it came to test kits and could not explain a, quote, gap in terms of why there is a shortage when there are thousands of tests available. Live in Grand Rapids, Angela McCall, Fox 17 News.
All right, you feel for that couple, Angeline. Thank you.